Hello, it's Sunde from Sunde White Industries, and I have another hot tip for your creative brain. My hot tip today is to ignore critics. There's a number of reasons why to ignore critics, because like fuck them. But also some main reasons are that, you know, when I do shows and I have all my stuff out, sometimes people walk by and obviously some people are like, wow, amazing. And then some people are like, kind of bright. Or like, oh, those are for kids. Or those are, you know, it's like, and you know, yeah, that gets me, obviously, because it's like, you just have to stand there politely usually if you don't want to get like kicked out of the show or whatever. But the thing is, it's like, you know, you don't know anything about my work. You're not even sitting there long enough to actually pick it up, look at it. You're just discounting it, saying something mean or rude that you know I can hear, and then walking off. And to me, I'm like, that's not really worth me getting upset about, because like obviously they have problems inside of them. They are hurt people. It's like, maybe they had a bad day. Maybe they're jealous. That's a real thing. And I'm not just saying that to make myself feel better, but it's true. Like some people are like, maybe this is actually sad. Like maybe they're creative people. Maybe their mom and dad were like, that's stupid being an artist. You should be an accountant. And they were like, okay, mom and dad, go be an accountant. And maybe they went to school to be an accountant, and like maybe somewhere deep inside of them, seeing somebody who is making their way in the world trying to be an artist, maybe that triggers them. And maybe they felt pain and they wanted the artist that they're looking at to feel pain. Like, my point is, you don't know what critics' motives are. It could be just that they're having a shitty day. It could be that they're jealous and that they are hurt that they haven't been brave enough to do their truth. And you know what? Some people just might not like it, and that's totally, like, who cares? Because do you like it? Are you proud of it? Do you like what you're doing? Guys, I'm trying to do a self-help video. City living, it's fine. We're moving on. Check my perfectionism video to see why. We can just move on from that. It's no big deal. Anyway, the point is, I think that horn was criticizing my video, but it's fine. We're fine. We're going to keep on and keep watching. So in conclusion, don't worry about the critics. Just ignore them. You don't know, especially strangers, you don't know where they're coming from. You don't know if they're professional artists and maybe they do have a legitimate 2 cents to give you, or maybe they're just sad that day or mad at someone and they just are lashing out at you because you're just standing there minding your own business. So also, if they really are legitimate critics, which I've gone into before about like, what is a critic? I mean, even if they're newspaper critics, or like even if they're like literally art critics for a job, what does that even mean? They are bringing in their own history, their own background, their own snobbiness, frankly, to all judgments of what they see in front of them. They're human beings. So in closing, let's ignore critics and do what gives us joy, what we're proud of, what we think is wonderful, what we've worked hard at. And let's not judge ourselves based on other people's words that are just like vomiting words out of themselves that they don't even know. They're not really even conscious of what they're doing. So that's my hot tip for today, to just totally ignore the critics. Like, who cares? Just go enjoy your life with your creative brain. So please go out there and make amazing work, no matter what you think people are going to say about it. Follow me on Instagram, Sunde White Industries, or my website, sundewhiteindustries.com, to see what I'm up to. Or please subscribe to this channel for more hot tips for your creative brain. Thank you.